You set my body, all on my body. You set my body, all on my body on fire. You set my body, all on my body. You set my body, all on my body on fire.
Fucking year?
All right, today we got Will on the boat.
What's up? We got the fish in the cooler. You already know.
Yeah, Will actually put no fish in the cooler.
I didn't put any.
All right, and then we got Kyle.
What's up?
What's going on? Captain Kyle, thank you so much for bringing me out on the boat today.
Yeah, of course.
You're the man.
Anytime.
Beautiful 25T.
25T.
25T contender.
Number 3.
Number three.
GTB edition. Whoa, whoa.
Yep.
Don't go on the spot.
My fault.
Where is the sand patch?
Actually, so flat today.
Yeah, go through it. We're in 37.
It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day.
We might just not be drifting off. Oh, I know, dude. I passed.
Got a big storm coming through. There we go. Nice bud. Beauty little mutton. Perfect eating size. He is 18 to the fork. Just barely legal. They have to be 18 inches. So
Yeah, fired it. He's over.
pretty good. Not bad.
No.
Good shot. Nice stone shot. Rolled him.
I saw you
On
stand
there.
it out for so long.
Yeah. I think I was recording. If not,
Make sure you hold.
if not, my 70 subscribers aren't gonna see that one. Nice. Oh yeah, dude. Woo.
You guys have throw flashers too, right?
New spot.
Oh yeah.
New spot. New spot. Go get him. All right, so we've kind of shifted gears a little bit. The storm's cleared up, so we're in a little bit deeper of water now. Not too deep, only in 40 feet. We're doing some drifts over some of this new bottom that we found, and hopefully the boys can get on them. This boat, the 25T, the Contender, with the tan sea deck on it, is probably the sexiest boat I've ever seen in my entire life. No front seats, purely a sport fishing vehicle. Well, maybe not sport, but definitely versatile. Definitely can do everything on it. And I'm really grateful that Kyle was able to invite me and bring me out. Seems like the boys have gotten a fish. Very nice, Will. Is that your first fish of the day?
First fish ever.
First fish ever.
Oh yeah.
Look at that. Very nice.
Little eye shot.
Nice red. Need a knife or anything?
He's actually pelagic red. He was like 30 feet up in the water column.
No way.
Lead him in the line while you watch.
So what happened? He was mid water column?
I was just kidding.
Oh really?
No, he was on the bottom just sitting there. I thought it was a Nassau. Look at him. Wait a minute, that's not a Nassau. In right there, out here. Headshots only.
There you go. Cap Jack, if you're watching this, go ahead and drop your coordinates down below. I'd be happy to check them out.
We'll make sure the fish are there.
Yeah, we'll make sure the fish are there. Let's go. What a beautiful day today. Actual pristine conditions.
Stare into the sun, moments holding on, and we hold our breath. Close enough to burn, but I'll never learn. Try to make it last. Could it be different? Could it be different? 'Cause the night's so young, 'cause the night's so young, so young, young, young. I will try. I know this heart has been broken so many times, and I will try until I found another heart that beats like mine. When it's so sad and good, so wanna run. Could you keep my
Oh, let's go. Start. Start.
Give me this spear. Alright, I got it. Take this. Yeah, you're good. Go shoot it out. Is there really no more fish? Is that all? I thought we got one more fish, but I guess that's...
No, here.
Explain what you did.
Kyle, let me use his 110. What is it, euro?
It's a Koa 110 euro. Yeah.
Koa 110 euro. And second drop, first shot on the gun, stud mangrove.
What did I tell you about the spot too? What did I
He
say?
told me
I
that
said-
there was giant mangrove snapper, and that for sure is a huge mangrove snapper. I think it was what, 20 on the tape?
20 on the dot. Yeah.
20 on the tape.
Put it on the tape. Put it on the tape.
Put 'em on the
Put
tape.
it on the tape.
Is that 0?
Is that 0? And 24 inches. Look at that. I'm just kidding. 20 inches. All right. So saw like 3 or 4. Picked the biggest one. We landed the fish.
You got 'em up.
And got some food for the week. Some nice dinner. Yeah.
If you would keep me waiting, I would wait a lifetime. In tricky situations, I will be a lifeline. Nobody
Nobody's meant to be fighting alone. That's why I'm taking you home. I never felt something like this before, no. Keep coming back for your time after time. Maybe I'm losing my mind, but I know I'll never leave you behind, no. Baby, I got you. When you feel like falling, I'll be there to prove, yeah, that baby, I got you. No matter the distance, no matter the route, yeah, baby, I got you. When you feel like falling, I'll be there to prove, yeah, that baby, I got you. No matter the distance, no matter the route, yeah, baby, I got you.
I absolutely dove that thing. It's not even that big. I just had a 6 shot.
That's way better than all the other ones down there. And he was also 2 feet from the surface.
I saw you kicking like from the surface.
I dropped like 2 feet. My right ear wouldn't equalize, and I just pushed.
Still got him.
I just pushed through it because I'm like that. I'm just kidding. I'm not that good. That was the story of the breakdown.
So, drop down, probably 60 feet. I see 2 of them just swimming. They're doing a little swim.
They're moving like that. That's how
You know how fish
Like
do.
that. I see the black grouper, he's spooking off. And then I decide I'm just gonna go for one of these guys. I drop down.
Nice shot too.
His level. Broadside. Bam.
Bang.
I don't want to say anything,
Bam.
but what did I say? I said I've seen black grouper here and killed big mangroves. And what did we do so far? We've seen black grouper and killed big mangroves. So
All around pretty good. Let's go. It's been a good day, guys. Going on over here.
the cheek, perfect fillet job. The cheek.
Very nice. It is known to be the best part to eat of the grouper, right?
Definitely. Poor man's scallop.